This is my review of the Miele WDB030 Eco washing machine. This came from AO.com. The delivery on this was very good. They kept me informed of when I would receive the delivery. First of all, they sent me an email on the morning with a 3-hour slot. During the day it reduced to 2 hours, and I could see how many deliveries were being made before they attempted my delivery. Half hour before they were due to arrive, the delivery man gave me a phone call saying that they will be up to half an hour. They arrived in that time and were very good and put the washing machine in for me. This washing machine has got a very good rating of A+++, which is the best performance and highest efficiency. The noise is 74 decibels on this. It comes with a 2-year warranty. This washing machine has a 7 kilogram drum size and a maximum of 1400 spin. On this washing machine, I shall show you now, it has, you can see in there, a unique honeycomb structure for gentle laundering and perfect results. I'll shut the door again. I shall show you it with the controls now. What you do, it's very easy to use. You just turn to the program that you require. As you can see on this, there are 6 programs. This one is the quickest one for light use. As you can see on this, the temperature is 30, the spin is 1200, and this one here, it was on the short spin. This makes it longer, or else you can put it back to 20. You can also adjust the spin to 600 and the temperature down to 20, or what you require. As you can see, that's the shortest, and you can change it to the longest. Again, this says it's almost 3 minutes. Again, you can adjust it to the temperature and the spin you require. It adjusts the time to the end of the program. As you can see, it's very easy to use. In the dispenser, Miele do their own pods of laundering liquid. You can put it in this specially adapted dispenser. You put the pod in here, and it contains the washing liquid and conditioner. If you haven't got one of those, which I haven't, you can still use the normal dispenser by putting the detergent in here, or obviously in your washing machine, and the softener in here where the pod should go. It's very easy to use. On this machine, it has an anti-crease facility. At the end of your program, it lasts for 30 minutes and goes every 10 minutes to stop your clothes being creased until you're ready to take them out on the machine. As I said before, this has got a very quiet spin level. On my old machine, it used to wake us up in the morning when we put it on the timer. When the spinning went round, it was so noisy it used to wake us up. On this one, you can hardly hear the spinning going round, and it's very quiet. So if you're using in a bed set or the same as your living room, it's an ideal washing machine as it's so quiet. There is one problem that I could find if you had young children. Because the control pad is touch, little fingers could adjust this while the washing machine is going, so could alter your program and maybe the temperature as well, so it could cause a problem for your clothes. It has got a lock facility on it, but not going. It can put a lock on the screen to stop anyone using it that shouldn't. Overall, I'm very pleased with this machine. As I say, it's very quiet. You've got quite a few programs on there. It's easy to use, and the washing that I have used in it has come out very clean, and it's very efficient on the electric and the water as it adjusts to your level of your washing that you've put in it. I'm very pleased with it and would recommend it to anyone who likes Miele washing machines. Thank you.